Hello everyone, my name is Ashley, and in this video I'm going to talk about extending multiple member entities. The member extend command now works with multiple entity selection. So to do this, we can run the member extend command and select an entity we want to extend to. So I want to extend and trim this joist back to this internal bearer, and so I'm going to select it, and it's now asking me to select an option. So if I go select entity, which is the standard option, you will see I can do it one at a time. Or if I just Control Z that and I do it again, so I'm going to go member extend, I'm going to select my member I want to extend or trim to. I'm going to press P to activate the point selection now. So now I need to select 2 points. So I'm going to select my 2 points over here, and I'm going to press enter. So now what's going to happen is it's going to select everything that crosses those 2 points that I've drawn. It's now extended these and trimmed my J5 back to that point. Now, one thing to note, that the point selection will remain active unless I change it back. So I go ME again and select an entity. You'll see here it now says press E for entity selection. So if I want to go back to that, I just press E, and it's now back to a single member entity versus the point selection. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.